my god.
Stepping foot into Antarctica.
Wow, what an amazing moment. Anyone's going up the highway.
Oh, there they go, out of the water, shot.
Whoa, they made that look so easy.
No, not that one. Didn't land it.
Oh, he slipped. I think I did.
just slap into each other.
Guys, the harder you push, the faster everybody gets up. Come on. March of the penguins. Oh, look at them all. That is adorable. So this guy here is posturing. He is looking for a mate. This is the breeding season, the prime time. Here he goes. He's checking out his options. No, rejected.
Is one on top of the other?
Oh yeah. They making out.
They came here to roost. This is supposed to be a rocky area, but it's all covered in snow right now. So hopefully the snow will melt soon, so they're able to lay their eggs. And one, the snowy sheepbill.
They're so often at penguin colonies because they eat. They're scavengers, and they eat. That's one of the things they eat.
Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Was that like a courting dance?
Yeah, absolutely.
First boat's heading out. Look how massive these structures are. Combination of mountain peaks, beautiful blue icebergs.
Wait, I thought you were focusing on me. What happened?
Oh, I decided I want to get the iceberg. Look at those colors.
Oh,
Ooh.
puppy.
Long leopard seal. Ooh, buddy. Oh, there he is. Ooh.
That's a little. What are you doing, Eric? You can't take things from Antarctica.
Taking just sampling.
Sick. Whoa, okay, that's kind of big. Oh, the little piece only. Oh, yay.
Whoa. Wow. Humpback. .30 p.m. Sun hasn't set yet.
So bright.
It is 11 p.m. and it is still light out. The wind is whipping. Looks like a maelstrom over there. Massive snow. This comes on out of nowhere.
And on the other side, it's good stuff.
Okay, there we go.
We have been excited by the road trip. Such a big surprise for me. It's weather changing and being a bit wild, us having to be toward the edge of our comfort level. Oh yeah. Any of the Antarctic explorers that came down here, this is what they were experiencing most of the time.
Governor and large enough for 17-feet whales to be held and processed inside. Although arguably one of the greatest human atrocities against animals on Earth, the grinding of whales into lamp and machine oil literally fueled humanity's modern industrial revolution. One thing's for sure, anyone who braved these waters in primitive ships far flimsier than the Titanic was crazy.
Another block of ice.
Do you know the Zodiac engine cut out at the density of gold? Thank you. There we go.
Oh, we got it out.
Ooh, that's a nice chunk.
We won the drum.
What the?
She's a pro.
She's amazing.
These guys are not fearful of ice. This is the most high stakes rafting we've ever done. Get out of the way. Get out of the way, you. This is a new type of off-roading.
What? Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Back up, guys.
We cleared the way for you guys. Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck.
He's totally stuck. Oh, my losers.
See you later. Losers. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Don't worry, I got the camera running.
Oh, nice. That was smooth. That was like 3-inch clearance right there. Well done. Look at that. Look at those ridges. That's because this thing was upside down and the air bubbles rubbed up against it. Yeah. Oh, and look at this one. Look at its size. Oh. Hey there. You looking at me? We just learned that the Gentoos practice chasing each other.
Sometimes they slap each other and move around. It looks like they're frolicking, you know?
Oh, there we go. Wow, they're really chasing.
Our last stop was the beautiful Deception Island, an unusually safe haven in the Antarctic due to the fact that it's a collapsed volcano with only one entrance point. 1800s whaling ships used to use this harbor, and you could still to this day see many giant oil tanks that used to be filled to the brim with whale oil.